friends, it's Christine Moran with Brownell Team Realtors, Keller Williams Southwest. Today I'm happy to share with you my dental office. I'm choosing to share Dentistry for Families with you as they are a 5-star business and do not disappoint. I went through 3 other dental offices in North Las Vegas before finding Dentistry for Families, as their customer service, hygienic observation, and overall service has been amazing. My young children sit in the dental rooms themselves, have their teeth cleaned, and come out happy awaiting their treasured box search for a small prize. Dentistry for Families is located at 1306 West Craig Road in North Las Vegas. Their phone number is 702-633-4333. So here I am, paying it forward. I have nothing but great things to say about Dentistry for Families, as Dr. Soward and his staff continue to show great care to their patients. Not to mention, new patients receive a free teeth whitening kit. Thanks as always for watching, and have a great day.